should.
Hello, this is John of Art, and we have just talked about money matters, kwarta. There's a street slang for kwarta. In Ilonggo, it's called wawart. May wawart ka da. Because it sounds like kwarta as well. Okay, let's talk about utang. Utang. I mentioned it in one of our conversations with Holger. Utang. Holger, do you know what utang is? Utang? Pautang nga. Pagda pautang. Utang is the word when you borrow money. So when you lend money, borrow money, utang. If you are the borrower, you are the ones nga nagapangutang, or the one who is borrowing, nagapangutang. And if you are the borrowee, ikaw, you, ang nagapautang. You are the one who is lending the money. So, nagapautang. Remember the naga? It's a continuous, what was it? What was it again? Present, continuous, whatever. So, if you, again, nagapautang and nagapangutang. Nagapautang, nagapangutang. Or sometimes, nagapangutang. So that's borrowing money. Borrowing has another term. In Ilonggo, it is also called hulam. Hulam means to borrow. It can pertain to money. You can also say, Mahulam ko kwarta, or I'm going to borrow money, mahulam. Or mahulam, manghulam, still the same, conversational wise. And then nanghulam, I just borrowed money. Mahulam, going to borrow money. So, yes, borrow. To borrow is hulam or utang. Utang doesn't have a nice ring to the ear, so it's like if somebody tells you or describes a person who is fond of borrowing money, she or he is called pala-utang in a negative kind of way. So if a person is called pala-utang, he's so fond of borrowing and is usually buried in debt, swimming in debt. Nalumos sa utang, drowning in debt. Because lumos is drowning. So, there, and pala-utang, a person who likes to overspend and then borrow a lot of money until he or she has a lot of credit already, bad credit. Pala-utang. So the more politically correct way of saying is nagahulam, or just borrowing. Utang and hulam may pertain to borrowing money, but in other things, you don't necessarily borrow or use the word utang for other things. Utang is usually money. But hulam could be anything. So if you borrow clothes, you borrow rice, you borrow something that you will return, you have to give back again, it's hulam. Utang is for money, hulam is for a lot of other things other than money, also money. Poetically, the Ilonggos or even the Filipinos refer to life as a borrowed kind of life, borrowed from God. So they call it utang na kabuhi or hulam na kabuhi, a borrowed life. That's the word when you borrow money, hulam and utang. This is John of Art. We'll see you again in our next video. Bye-bye for now.